So now I again started my recording my voice, and seriously, let's describe maybe something. This is also help you speak in English and improve your communication and fluency in English, and also improve your confidence in English. Actually, I just came upstairs. That's why I am taking long breathing, so this is the reason. I have a little cough, sorry for that, but you can see the view, and this is really looking very beautiful. I think the time is around 7 p.m. and I'm recording this because I just want to improve my communication skill. Let's describe something else. Actually, I watched videos on YouTube news by Palki Sharma, and she discussed about the war between America and Iraq, and America is wanted to take over the Hormuz port of the Iran, and this is really a very crucial point and very strategic location, because Iran take custom duty on this port, and this is the location of this port is really very crucial, very important for the Iraq, and Iraq earns so much revenue from this port, because this is the location, this is the main port of all the Gulf countries. These are the Gulf countries supply oil to the other countries, because Gulf is rich for oil, gold. These are the minerals are found in the Gulf countries, and the one advantage of the Gulf countries is also this: Gulf countries also have low population. This is really a very advantage, because if you low populations and you have more resources, then you can distribute these resources with populations in a good manner. But if the population is high, for example, Asia have the largest population, and this is difficult for like a country like India have seriously number one population in the world, and the number one in the population in the world, and so difficult for the government to distribute resources, because the resources is low and population is high. That's why the our GDP is I think we stand on the number of number 6, I think 656 number we stand on the GDP number, but we have high population, so that's why our resource distribute too much population. That's why so everyone have less amount of resources. That's why poverty in India is very high. But seriously, the one thing is talk about, I like the countries so much. European countries, the biggest advantage of these countries is they have the low population, and they really a very beautiful weather, and they do not put any restrictions on women. But in India, the so many restrictions is put on the women. I'm not saying India is a bad country, but India is really a very beautiful country, diversity rich countries, but sometimes these restrictions very difficult for the woman to work and wanted to live their life on their conditions. This is very difficult for the woman, because I face these restrictions in my life also. So I am just discussing my thoughts, and I think I completed my 3 minutes of videos. I think I should record myself for every 5 minutes, and I upload these videos on YouTube, and if I do this continuously every day with consistency, then definitely I am going to speak English, because I don't have any problem with grammar, with any words. My vocabulary is good, but I don't have confidence, and I just don't have practice to speak in English. Now let's talk about something else. Now talk about the countries like China, Japan. China is really a very technology. China is not living in the 21st centuries. China is living in future, and China is so much developed countries, because China focus on their trade too much, and that's why China is so much developed countries. And I also wanted to visit China, but I don't like the food of Chinese peoples. I don't know what they eat. They eat like in English we call the frog. Yeah, they eat frog like a samosa. Like in India, we eat samosas. In China, and like in China's, people eat frog like a samosas. You can find frog in every corner of the street. And seriously, this is really very dangerous food of the Chinas. That's why I fear of Chinas, because they eat cockroaches. And in India, we India is in India, people also eat non-veg food like fish, but they do not eat like cockroach, frog. They do not eat that type of the one thing is very the one thought is coming in my mind. The seafood have a very high minerals, high nutritional value seafoods. And I think seafood is really a good, but I'm a pure vegetarian. I'm not saying ki I'm not eat egg. I eat egg, but sometime, not always. But I think egg is egg. Yeah, I am half vegetarian. I'm not full vegetarian, but I am a half vegetarian. Now you can see the sun is down completely, and the night is so beautiful, so seriously so much beautiful. And now my mind is empty, and I have nothing to discuss about, so I think I should stop my video. So bye bye guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and please support. I know I'm not uploading something serious and something helpful for the peoples, but this is for me. And if you help, then I'm very grateful to all of you if you help me, because this is my journey, and I started this now. So it's very difficult for the new YouTubers to make videos and gain likes and earn something from the YouTube. Really very difficult, but it's okay, because in start phase, in the first step is very difficult step. When you started, then if you continue this, then definitely this is going to help you. And I decided I make videos every day upload something. Whatever the things is come in my mind, I just upload and listen these videos again and again. And this is really going to help me in speaking. My confidence is building my confidence in English, to speak in English, so I can give interview, because I work in hospital as a front desk executive. And I wanted to I wanted to increase my salary. And for the salary I have for if I wanted to increase my salary, then definitely I have to speak in English with fluency. And if I want to increase my salary, because in Palwal is not possible to have too much high salaries. This is only possible in Faridabad, so I wanted to go Faridabad. And so that's why I wanted to work on my English. And I read so much, but I don't practice. The one quote is also coming in mind: if you read books on swimming, and you talking about to people about swimming, but you do not swim, then definitely you are not going to learn how to swim in waters. Because if you want to learn how to swim in waters, then you definitely get into the waters. So get into the waters, and you have to try by yourself, because by learning books, this is not possible. So this is same like English. If you do not speak, the one thing I realize, I watch so many videos on YouTube, I read books so much, and I also learn how to pronounce word, but I don't practice, because I don't have people surrounded me. The people surrounded me did not speak English, and this is difficult for me to speak in English. So that's why this is the reason. Actually, I am also worried about one thing. If I make videos every day and record videos and upload these videos on YouTube, then definitely my phone memory is going to full. So I think I have to delete these videos after uploading on YouTube. And I think my voice is now breaking now. I clear my voice. I clear my thought. I think the name of the thought, that this is the correct word of the thought is the correct word. So now I completed my 10 minutes. Now I completed my 9 minutes. And please guys, support me. I'm a newcomer, and I just want to develop myself. I have nothing. I don't want anything else. I just want to develop myself, and I just want to improve my English. This is the main reason of uploading these videos and making these videos. I know I have nothing, but by the time I start improving myself, and I start uploading something useful that help peoples, and so many peoples also learn from my videos if they want to speak in English. In India, so many peoples, because Hindi is the a language spoken by most of the populations, and so many people suffer to, so many people wanted to speak in English but they do not find. So if they, these type of peoples watch my videos, then definitely because then definitely this is going to help to them, my videos. So I completed my 10 minutes, so thank you so much.